Hi guys, we're at Harrah's Resort in Atlantic City, and due to a small issue with my previous room, I was upgraded to a suite in the Waterfront Tower. This is a newly renovated modern suite here at Harrah's Resort Atlantic City. Let me take you inside. First things first, when you come into the suite, you have your standard notations telling you the rates of suites and where you're located in the hall. God forbid there is an emergency in the room. Let's hope there's not while I'm sleeping tonight, because I am soon about to go to bed. But is this cool or what? It also has not only a privacy latch, your security latch and a regular door. It has these cool, dimmable lights in the room throughout. All the lights are almost dimmable. As you also come into the room on your right, the first thing you will see is a storage closet. You have the slot for an iron, but the iron's in the bedroom. So it's not there, it's in the bedroom. I'll show that to you in a little bit. You have coat hangers and a luggage rack. And to the people who are complaining that my videos are too long, sorry, I just do them the way I do them. You like them or not. There's a painting here on the wall as you walk into the continue walking down the foyer. You have a ceiling light. Here, this is the one that's dimmable with that switch I showed you. And now let's walk into the main area of the room. This is the dining room section. So you have first your adjoining door, which adjoins to a connector room. These are called connector rooms. They have 2 beds, and this one connects to this suite. Here's one of the 3 thermostats in the room. This one controls the dining area. And in the dining area, you have switches here and plugs for stuff if you need to plug things in. These are not USB ports, just plugs. And these switches are dimmable, except with that one, that light is not dimmable, as far as I'm aware. But you can dim things if you want to make it a little more mood-centric. Another thing that's in the dining room, which you may or may not like, is your work area. Some people don't like that, having your work and eating area in the same place. But if you have work to do, you can definitely get it done, because you have to earn your money to afford this suite or have enough money to gamble to get this suite. It comes with this 6-seat dining room table with a carpet underlay. This beautiful chandelier, which is gorgeous. I love it. You have this wooden floor. It's not wood, it's laminate. You know what I mean? But it's beautiful. Have to say that. Maybe painting here on the wall. Not sure what it's supposed to be, but it gives a very watery, beachy vibe, with the waterfront tower being by the bay and this being near the ocean. You have 2 sconces next to the painting, which make it even look nicer. You do have some recessed lighting on the ceiling in this suite, which is very helpful to have. And just like many of the suites at Harrah's, not the atriums, I believe, but this one has a Keurig. Let me actually check to see if there was a pod in there, because I've had that happen before. Wait, no pods in there. No pods in there. 2 coffee cups. There was 3, because I needed some soda to go with my food from Taza. Had a flatbread. Delicious. Here's the sink for the wet sink. Kind of like a wet bar. You know what I mean? Let me take you into here. Oh, where's the fridge? The fridge was in that one, sorry. The fridge is in this one. This is your mini fridge. You only get one in this room. I've seen suites that have two. So it can hold quite a bit of stuff if you needed to. Some space for your cups. And more storage space down there. This is just a little nice fixture. It doesn't do anything pertinent. It's just there for design. And one thing I have to tell you, this modern suite is different from the East Suite because it doesn't have the full bar, stools, and bar counter like this, which that one does. And this suite, if you remember it previously, it had a curved wall. It was completely different than it is now. So they literally ripped out the walls. They redid everything. And also this suite, as I take you into the living room, has a separated off living room by the wall. The East Suite does not. You can look it up. Look pictures up online and find them. Here's the living room area to entertain. You have this beautiful blue curved couch, which is lovely. I think the previous suite also had, a previous version of this had a curved couch. Here's the drapes on the walls of curtains. And these curtains are different from the bedroom ones. As you'll see, when I go into the bedroom, you have this lamp fixture that you can turn on and off at your pleasure. You have the air vent here, keeps it nice and cool. And your other air control here for this room, which is separate from the dining room. You have a TV. You have an entertainment area under here. Let me open this and see what's in here. Just a drawer. I thought maybe there was a surprise in there or something. You have an end chair that you can sit in with a throw pillow, as you do on the couch, the two throw pillows. You also have another throw pillow and chair. On your console here, you do have the connectivity port and your USBs and plugs that can close and collapse down at your will. Let me take you into the bedroom, but before I do, there's another light switch. Where does it dim? I have no idea what that dims. Not sure what it dims, I apologize. Smoke alarms, detectors, that's a good thing to have. As we go into the bedroom area, you have a full-size mirror to get ready before you go out. If you choose, your third air conditioning unit to control the temperatures, because you might want one room colder or warmer than the other, you know? So, you do have a king-size bed in this room, and this is where it starts to look like a waterfront tower room. The backsplash, the lights over here. You have your plugs and outlets here, so you can charge your phone and anything you need. Your standard room phone. I think there's another one somewhere else in the room. You do have another remote to control this TV. You have a safe that is in this drawer. Okay, right there. There's nothing in the safe. I did check, sorry. Other than that paper, no money. I always hope there will be. You do have a TV here, and I believe this one is a 55-inch. That other one should be 65 out in the living room. But feel free to politely correct me if I'm wrong. On that, this room does come with this footrest or foot bench at the end of the bed. It does cramp the room up a little bit and shouldn't be there. It would be better if that wasn't there. in my opinion, especially if you have someone rolling around in a scooter or wheelchair. So, you have another lamp fixture here, and these curtains are L-shaped, I think, so that you can open and close them at your convenience to rest. You do have a chair and a footrest with this one. I don't think the regular Waterfront rooms have a footrest in them. I was just in one earlier, and I don't remember. Another end table here, I think I showed you that. And the buttons there, right here, I'll show you. Control the under lighting here if you want to turn that off. And that button, can you see it? Controls that lighting under there. You have your little alarm clock. It's 3:23 in the morning, and I have to go to bed soon. I don't know why I'm up so late. Here's the other closet, and voila, it doesn't have a light. Oh, it does have a light. Sorry, it does. Didn't realize that. There's the iron that should be out in the holder, out in the other room. There's the ironing board that wasn't in the other room, and look at in the coat hangers. I don't think there's anything up there. Nope. And to end the room tour, I'm going to show you the bathroom. Let's go. This is the best part of the room, I have to tell you. Or suite. This is a suite, a modern suite. As you come in, you have a toilet. You have toilet paper, more toilet paper, a painting here on the wall, very nice painting. Not sure what it's exactly supposed to be, but it's very nice. Some hand towels, your light switches for the bathroom. The middle one is dimmable for the recessed lighting. Here's the shower that I just took. I'll show you here. That bottom knob is acting funny, so it's hard to play with. That's the temperature control knob. This knob is for the shower heads. So if you turn it to the right, only that bottom head works. Turn it center up, that works. Turn it all the way to the left, both of those work. There's the soap I used for the shower. And yes, it is a suite, so it has a soaking tub with a bath mat and some bath products over here. And you can just turn the knob to get your tub experience going. It's a little bit of a narrow tub, so if you're a little wider or heavier, you might not be able to fit in that tub. I worry. I'm not sure, but it seems a little not wide. Just a heads up, anyone that's larger. Look at the tile on that wall. The hexagons. Oh, it's so good. So good, I love it. You have these nice little light fixtures up here. One on this side, one on that side. For your convenience, you have this mirror. This is your makeup vanity, you know what I mean, for her. It comes with a light switch to turn off and on this light. You have the makeup mirror there. So you can do your makeup a little more up and close. You do have a hair dryer here. You have 3 sets of towels. Nice to have. You have more cups. You have tissues. Another mirror. And plugs in the bathroom, along with more soap, conditioner, body lotion. You have so much of it. It's wonderful to have. And I think I showed you everything that there is to see in this Waterfront, newly renovated Waterfront Tower modern suite. This is room 28100. I hope you enjoyed this. Take care.